This is a beautiful souffle batter on the outside of a stuffed chili. Once you've learned to make a souffle batter, guys, you are absolutely going to fall in love with it. I'll tell you what, it is a great way to do veggies. Well, howdy folks, I'm Chef Trotters and this is Texas Cooking Today. Hey, what you're going to be making today is going to be some delicious food. And this is one of my recipe videos. Now, if you get to the end of this and you're wondering how to pull off this, that, or the other, I'll tell you what, there's another show on this very same recipe. It's one of my tutorials. So I'll tell you what, it'll be the next episode after this one. Take a look at that. Those are really full of information. Now guys, thank you for watching. Let's get right into making this. Guys, did you see that beautiful picture? Souffle batter comes out beautiful, golden, light, and fluffy. It is really, really cool. And what I want to teach you today is just how to take those eggs and structure them the right way and how you can apply that in different ways. So this is a souffle batter, very simple to make, and it's infinitely applicable. You can use it, for instance, to make carrot sticks that are fried, or maybe zucchini sticks that are fried. Just use your imagination. Use it similar to the way you would use a tempura. So guys, let's get in here and whip this up. I'm going to show you how to make souffle batter today. Come on. Here it is, guys. Souffle batter. All this really is, we've got some flour. We've got eggs. How many you use and how much? Well, we'll get into those portions in a little bit, but the thing of it is, it's in the processing. It's what do you do with those eggs that makes this batter so very unique and special. So what we have to do is separate our eggs, and then we're going to make a nice stiff egg white, after which we fold in our other ingredients and we are ready to get busy cooking some stuff up. Souffles are a lovely, light, delicate flavor, and when you use that same batter to batter things like vegetables and cook them up, it's remarkable. So with this, you can cook up all kinds of vegetables. It's fun and easy to do, and one thing's for sure, you are certainly going to surprise your friends with this one. It's remarkable. It's delicious. Guys, let's get into making this fantastic souffle batter. It's not that hard. Now guys, this is simple enough. If you've done any cooking, you know, you crack your egg in half and you separate with your yolk in one and your egg white in the other, and that's all there is to it. So just break each of them open, separate them like that, and then we're going to get busy working on those whites. Guys, once you've separated those eggs, take the whites, put them into a large bowl, and you've got a choice. If you don't have a mixer, you can use one of these, use a whisk, or if you have a mixer, like I do, I'm just going to put my whisk attachment on this, and we're going to get busy whipping these things up. Guys, once you get a good stiff peak, then take those whites and fold in your other ingredients gently and delicately. And once they're fully combined, we have our batter ready to use. Guys, as you can see, we've battered up a beautiful chili. We have it frying. This is a wonderful, wonderful way of using this batter. So this is just one of many possibilities. Guys, as you see here, simple souffle batter. All we have to do is process the egg the right way. It's all about the egg. And you get this light, fluffy, golden batter that is remarkable in its texture and quality. And once you've done some vegetables and other goodies with this batter, you're going to have a new one for your recipe box, aren't you? Guys, thank you very much. I appreciate you watching Texas Cooking Today. Appreciate you watching this episode. If you would, please try these techniques. You're going to like them. And also, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. Click that like button. If you have a suggestion, comments, questions, just type them down below. I'll get to it. I read all of them, guys. I can't respond to all, but I do read them all. Thank you very much for writing in. I appreciate that. Give this a try. You're really going to enjoy it. Souffle batter is a fantastic way to do veggies. Give it a try. Talk to y'all later. Well guys, once again, thank you very much for watching this show, for watching Texas Cooking Today. If you would, please go to my channel, check things out there. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've got stuff coming out every single Thursday, so watch closely. There's some really good stuff coming your way. And thank you again for watching Texas Cooking Today.